Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. See this problem, here one RL circuit given here. So this is resistor and this is inductor and this is capacitance. So these RL circuit are contained in series. So I'm asking that how to find frequency at which voltage drop is maximum across inductor. This is the problem. So what it means, so for the source was operated at certain frequency. So if you take the frequencies, so like 1 Hz, 2 Hz, 0 Hz, some values are there in the middle. So like that at certain frequency, we don't know where it is. So at that frequency, so from the voltage there is a maximum voltage drop take place at inductor. So then what is that frequency? How can you find it? This is the problem. So it is easy, we can easily find that frequency. So here the voltage drops across inductor and capacitor depends upon the frequency. So it depends upon the RLC components. So there is a direct relation is there. So between RLC with frequency, and this is the standard formula. See here, this is the standard formula. So in terms of RLC, now substitute all the values in this equation, then we can get the frequency. At the frequency there is a maximum voltage drop for the inductor. So let's substitute here. So 1 by 2 pi into root of L is, this is CR, L is 100 Henry. So 100 into capacitance is 10 power minus 4 Faraday, 10 power minus 4. So minus 10 power minus 4 whole square, that is C square under root into R square. R is 20 square by 2. So see here, I'm writing once again here clearly. So 1 by 2 pi root of, so 100 into 10 power minus 4, that is LC value. So minus C is 10 power minus 4 whole square, that is C square, into R square is 20 square by 2. Now use calculator because it has some complications in the simplification. So by using calculator we will get some value, that is 0.015913. So this is the frequency Hz. So at that frequency the inductor have the maximum voltage drop in the given voltage. Suppose 20 volts are there. So from that, here the voltage is VL and here VC, here VR. So here there is a maximum voltage drop take place at that frequency. If you change frequency, that voltage is reduces across inductor. So this is the frequency where the maximum voltage drop take place at inductor, and this is the standard formula. Just remember it, very important. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.